Hey, Scrappy Peeps! Suzanna here today for Elle Studio to share with you this layout that I created using some of the read or book themed goodies in the May kit and the add-ons. So the 10th was the release date for the new May kit, and there are some absolutely awesome goodies in here, just as there are every month. So what I'm doing here is I have two pieces of the 6x6 paper pad. This is newly released this month and it's called Beautiful Day. That piece right there that I'm gutting is a bunch of teal butterflies. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I would say more, yeah, teal. And then that is a library card, that white piece that I just cut down just a little bit so that the butterflies can frame the layout or the 6x6 piece there. That there I am not going to end up using, but it is a book review card, 3x4 card. Those are sold separately. And then these are cards, those cards there that I separated are a 4x3 and then a 4x6 card from the May kit. I pulled out things that were gray, white, black, and teal, or yeah, tealy colored. I get confused between teal and aqua. It's kind of more of a mint, a teal, a mint, whatever you want to call that greeny blue color. I am going to use some of them and I'm going to abandon some, and then I'm going to go back to the kit and I'm actually going to pull out a gray card. I really wanted to incorporate that book review card and review one of the multiple books that are on my nightstand. That is what the photo is of. But I really couldn't make it fit into the way that I had laid out this layout. So I have the 6x6 square followed by that 4x6 card there, and then I'm going to layer that card and with the photo. And this, you will sense an ongoing theme in my scrapbooking lately of my journey to repair my marriage. So this is the books that happen to be on my nightstand, and all of those books, bar one, has to do with either marriage or self-improvement or something along those lines. I am one of these people who, when I do something, I do it 110%. And I have read every book, listened to every podcast, and watched every YouTube video there is under the sun. So this is about me. And this is about the books that are on my nightstand. I wanted to conceal the journaling because while I've been pretty transparent about this whole process, some of my emotions are pretty raw still and better probably left private. So I have the Read acrylic, which is also newly released this month, and I have one of the acrylic hand-drawn hearts that I'm going to put over this stack of books. I love the messy hearts, and so I have fussy cut that from the gutted piece, and just to make it stand out and wanting a little bit more black to go with the contrast of that black and white photo, I outlined it with my Elle Studio pen. And I am going to use one of the stickers from the these stickers are from the Read phrase stickers. So all of the stickers on that sheet have something to do with reading. And that one that I put over the heart says currently reading. And you'll see in a minute that I'm going to, well, not in a minute, but later on in the video, I will list out the books that are on my nightstand, or the most important ones anyway. And then I have that black epoxy, which is from the Everyday Goodness epoxy stickers, and then that circle, and the black sticker says the story starts here. So I am using some of my ThermoWeb liquid adhesive to adhere the epoxy down. I really like the Ultra Bond. It does a great job of holding those heavier plastic elements down on the page. And I'm also going to use that for the hand-drawn acrylic hearts. I am going to need a second pack of those acrylic hearts because, yes, I have used plenty of them. This is the Everyday Phrases Volume 2 stamp set. The first volume, Volume 1, has been restocked, but this is new this month, and there are some great everyday phrases, literally everyday phrases. This particular phrase that I am stamping says top priority because, well, it's top priority to me that I get my marriage back on track. So it's top priority that I then read and arm myself with ways that I can work on doing that. So what I did there was I showed you how you flip the card, and I could write journaling there, and then I thought I might put additional journaling underneath the read. But what ended up happening was I really didn't want that exposed. So I went back to the kit and I found that card there, which is where I'm going to list out the title of some of the books, and then I am going to put my most heartfelt journaling underneath the flap there. But while I was doing that, I found some other goodies, so a little bit of gray, again, just some color to punctuate the page and take that stark contrast between the white on the left-hand side and the black in the black and white photo away. So in wanting to put that gray 3x4 card there, my heart was going to be in the way. So I peeled that up, and then I sort of need to relocate things to make things fit. I didn't like it overlapping so that it lapped onto that 4x3 card. So I'm going to center the sticker, the read phrase sticker over the heart, and then it means I have to move that black there. And I really want that black to stay on the left-hand side of the page somehow in order to provide that contrast to the photo. So I'm just going to stick it on top of that 4x3 card with the hearts and just list out. That card is perfect for listing. You could list the activities of your day in a project life spread. You could just journal there if you wanted to, but I thought it was perfect for listing out the books. So there I have the little read. It's a circle with a book on it, and I'm going to nestle that behind the heart there because it goes perfectly with that currently reading theme. And that, my friends, is my new layout created with the May kit. Be sure to check out the video that I posted 2 days ago with more of the May kit, and there's one more to come. I did decide I wanted to fill that space there, and I am going to put in, using the new stamp set, the Good Life stamp set, I'm going to put in the New Life in Black, and that was what really afforded me contrast to complete that starkness of that photo and balance the page out and create more unity in the page. So be sure to check out the affiliate links down below and do some shopping. Enjoy the close-ups. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Take care.